Imagine this. You wake up one morning and your investments have automatically adjusted themselves overnight. Not because you made a move, but because an AI analyzed the markets, predicted trends, and optimized your portfolio while you slept. And here's the craziest part. The assets in your portfolio aren't just stocks or ETFs. They could be fractional pieces of real estate, gold, or even art, all stored securely on the blockchain. Welcome to the Guru Minds, where smart finance meets smarter you. That if you're new to investing or want to understand how this tech is changing everything in 2025, this will break it all down in simple, beginner-friendly terms. Right now, a massive shift is happening in the world of investing. Traditional stock trading and manual portfolio management are being replaced by AI-powered robo-advisors that use algorithms to analyze risk, diversify your money, and automatically rebalance your investments. Apps like Wealthfront, Betterment, and eToro AI are taking over, not because they're flashy, but because they're smart. In 2025, AI is doing what professional fund managers used to do, but faster, cheaper, and more accurately. And this is just the beginning. Tokenization simply means turning real-world assets, like houses, art, gold, or even farmland, into digital tokens on the blockchain. Each token represents a fraction of ownership. So instead of needing $500,000 to buy a property, you can invest in tokenized real estate for as little as $50. These tokens can be traded, transferred, or stored just like stocks, but they're backed by real, tangible assets. That's why experts call tokenization the future of wealth democratization. When you combine AI with tokenization, the possibilities are endless. The AI can analyze global tokenized asset markets in real time, detect opportunities, and automatically diversify your portfolio across stocks, crypto, real estate, commodities, and bonds, all in seconds. In short, AI decides where your money should go, and tokenization decides what it can own. That's the perfect duo for the next generation of investors, especially beginners who want smart, low-cost, data-driven growth. So, how can you get started with AI-powered and tokenized investing in 2025? Start small. Choose a beginner-friendly robo-advisor like Wealthfront or Betterment that uses AI to manage portfolios. Explore tokenized platforms like Realty, Republic, or Tokeny, which allow you to invest in real-world assets using fractional ownership. Learn before you leap. Always research the platform, fees, and regulations in your country, and most importantly, diversify. Don't go all in on one AI tool or tokenized asset. Spread your risks smartly. Remember, AI doesn't replace human judgment. It enhances it. No technology is perfect. AI can make predictions, but it can't guarantee profits. Tokenized assets can face legal gray areas and liquidity risks, meaning you might not be able to sell them instantly. That's why education and patience are key. If you treat this as a long-term wealth-building strategy, not a get-rich-quick scheme, you'll win. The future of investing isn't about Wall Street traders in suits. It's about AI algorithms analyzing millions of data points in seconds, and tokenized ownership giving everyday people access to assets once reserved for the rich. If you understand this early, you're not just watching the future, you're part of it. If this video opened your eyes to the future of investing, hit that like button, subscribe to the Guru Minds, and comment below. I'm ready for AI investing. Because 2025 isn't waiting, and neither should you. Smart finance, smarter you.